Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Think Big Digital. So in today's video I'll show you how to post on Pinterest, and it's pretty easy. So let's open the Pinterest app. In your Pinterest homepage you can see a plus icon which is mean pin. You just need to tap on this option, and from here go to the pin option and select what kind of things you want to post on Pinterest. It can be photos or it can be videos, anything. And just select the photos or videos. Go to the next option. So that's it. From here, as you can see, it will show you some of the options. You can resize size of your photos or videos, as you can see, like this way. And here you can also do some other ways. You can see you can add some text, you can add in stickers, or you can add in color, a lot of things. And after finishing all the process, you just need to simply go to the next option. And here you can give a title of your videos, you can give a description, you can add a link, or you can pick a board, and it will show you a lot of options and you can fill up them according to your perspective. And after doing all the things, just simply tap on the create option, and that's it, we're done here. And just go to your profile section. Here it will show you the videos that you have shared. So that's the way how you can post on Pinterest. So hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment box if you have any confusion, and keep in touch with us.